Editorial, give Peace Tom her money. Editorial, give Peace Tom her money. How many times I talk am? I get reason why I talk like that. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. My people, my brother, my sister, my auntie, when you go come across this video. Yes, why I mention editorial, I see this right for Peace Tom community. This thing wey una dey see, so my August salary was paid to the person that always receive my money. 319 euro, no be small money now. 319 euro, dey go almost like almost 300 and something, almost 400,000 naira. Who take this money? Editorial, why I call your name say give Peace Tom her money? Because now you use your mouth, they say you help Peace Tom. You dey collect money from YouTube and give Peace Tom. And now your account, now dey Peace Tom go ADSENCE, my sister. Then I read the message. This is the place where they tell UK family say na fit chat YouTube direct, then YouTube go answer una. Here they no dey wait. Once you chat, then you dey online hold. And before 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, they will reply you. Then una start to the chat. Now the chat Peace Tom come as now as proof. If you be content creator, you go know this chat as a chat on YouTube. Then why I dey call your name, my beautiful sister? Editorial. If you will drag me tomorrow or you do anything tomorrow, now your word of mouth, because now you say you put your account for Peace Tom account. Okay, now why can't you refund that money to the girl? Yes, abi you don't refund her to her, because this girl na chat YouTube say now the account when they put for account, because August Peace Tom never get account, Peace Tom never get passport. Now your passport, now your everything dey inside. Why? Every time go dey blame government. Nigeria government is not good. Buhari is not good. This one is not good. We the individual, we the citizen of the country, now we be ourselves. Now we dey do ourselves packs. As this girl dey, now no dey call her poor girl. She's a big girl. Do you understand? Me no dey look down of her. She's a big girl on her own. As she bring this proof come out now, editorial. My papa say he don't know where children go waka reach tomorrow. That is true. My papa not come Europe. I dey Europe today. Imagine maybe somebody when my papa do good for, I jam or my papa wrong. How it go be? Remember, we are mothers. Remember, we don't know where our children go waka go tomorrow. Not be say you don't say now you collect the money. Why they put on direct to you, my sister? Because editorial now you talk to. Because you use your mouth, they say now your account. Now you put for Peace Tom account. And if you look when this matter take bust, August don't pass. Where the money of August? Please, if you carry on, give on to Peace Tom editorial. To create a content is not easy, you know. And to get the view, when he gives you 300, you know, say 300 euro, it go make a lot for her. May we not let person think they enter our eye. Be contented, I be how nothing is speaking for what you have. Why Peace Tom? You when you get how many China? No be 1, no be 2, no be 3, no be 4. China when you get, and you they catch out from inside. Your children account, they the family account, they the spiritual, they there, and the other one, they more than 5, say plus your husband own. Now only this 300 something euro Peace Tom now can enter your eye, my sister. This one shortalize me. When I see the comment, I say, no, I don't go sleep. Let me go do this video so that tomorrow morning I go receive this alert. It's very poor. It's very, very poor. I know they fight for anybody to know me. I talk what I see. Editorial, for me, I put on to you, return Peace Tom money. Because now your account, now they Peace Tom account. Now you use your mouth, they say, now you they collect money, give Peace Tom. Why? Just because you get access to her account, to her YouTube account, you just collect her. For me, as I see, I just dey bitter. I feel sad. True, I feel sad. And you are a mother. We are all mothers. You don't know whether this girl will be a help to your child tomorrow. You don't know whether this girl will be a help to you tomorrow. Now today you know, you don't know tomorrow. No matter what she do, you use your mouth and say she's good, she's nice. She help you, you help her. Peace Tom is not like this. Now when you start with a visit, why can't you remember the good part, the good time, and give this girl her money? It dey poor. if the money really dey with you, except the money not dey with you. If na true you say the money dey with you, my sister, release that money for your hand. Person small thing na dey bring cause. Cause e no just be say you go juju go swell. Cause when you are pain, when you dey pain, and when somebody wrong you, and when you cry to God, nothing pass am. No matter you go say, he sleep for my house, he eat my, as far as it's not agreement, say this August money make you chop am, and you chop am. He can't call God, he can't swear, use him mouth, take cry to God. Sometimes now they still say now when person go unite they swear. No, when you call your God, use your mouth, take talk to your God. Now say part of swear. Some people they don't even talk to you. They say I hand over it to God. You know what it mean? God and swear. Which one feel say it work packs? You go juju. Please, my sister, my editorial, I tell you the reason why I like you. You're strong. The same thing this girl she's doing now. She's trying to, the life when her mom live, the life when her sister, she want try, pull out so that she will be a help to his siblings. Many of us do one. Meanwhile, I talk to you today, the same thing happened to me. When you go come and see, says, girl want try, lift herself up so that she will lift others. Then you go, they try to bring her down. It's very bad. Let's tell each other the truth. Let's tell each other the truth. Not use the little power, the little opportunity. As you first talk, you say you suffer. You say you don't allow anybody close to you to suffer. But what you they do to Piston? For me, I put on to you because now you use your mouth. They talk and say, Piston, I can't. Piston, now you they collect money. That is why you don't give them transport. Piston, they catch out. You they collect money, give Piston. Now make me, they put on directly to you, editorial. And somebody say drop in the comment section. As they insult your family, it good, it makes sense. Maybe the girl don't contact you before she bring her comment for social media. I believe that she don't contact you. You will feel like say you don't see her. And it's very bad of you. Please. If now so you do this girl, it's very, very bad. It's very bad. Now today you know. You don't know rain when it go beat you tomorrow. You don't know someone go dry you tomorrow. Anything they do on this earth, do it clean. People, they do things clean. Things they hard them. Talk of mango. How much is 300 something dollar? When you they make more than that in a month. For me, I pull on to you because she chat YouTube. And now your account 9 day. Now you use your mouth, they talk and say now your account. Because all those people when they do it before, now other people when they call the assistant, they don't ever put account now. Now your account, now they when they try to back me, to remove, to do things. Please, if you come this my video, maybe you just watch and just pass. So you know how to watch video. You pass or you drop comment later, you delete. I don't even need your comment. Please, if you see this my video, you manage listen to and scratch you for ear. Return this girl money if that money dey your hand. Return her. Not oppress anybody. Because if you even get the billions, nobody they feed Nigeria. You can no matter the president get money rich, that go not they feed Nigeria. Individual, now everybody they feed yourself. Why? My people, as I see this thing, I shock. Because when I even see this message, when some people they insult her, they talk to her, say, see one person evil, they talk to your family. Me, I don't like her. If you like her, no. I be mother. Person go just you see say person they insult your family. You just like her like that. It's very poor. It's poor. If your husband not talk, it's not good. Some kind things they you need to take action. You need to take action. What is this? It's not good. Let's tell each other the truth. You be mother. How much is 300 and something euro when you no fit give the girl her own money? No be even say na your money, na her sweat, na money when she work for. Look this one comment. Me I read am for you if it's good for here. Your prayer is your weapon. Peace can never be cheated from her hard-earned income. Edith and family. That cheating, this poor girl will never go on. I will not pronounce that word. Go Piston comment section, a community tag. You will see her for there. And they talk to your family, they insult your family. You like her? How much is 300 something euro when you go just sit down on top? that pride, or what can you do? What can you do? Now they lead a lot of people. When they will come pockish, they will come, they cry, they beg. You do person something, say, what can you cry? Can you do this? What you go feed do? When the person will come chook car for now they cry. Now they beg for one crocro. I beg my people, and this one I get. I just say, as I see him, I vex. Because editorial, when you say if suffer, you're not supposed to do this girl. Because now her account, I use her mouth to talk. Why you go collect this girl money? August money. My people, and this one I get to tell. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.